Welcome to Radiant Mindset. These relationship healing affirmations for harmony are designed to restore balance, love, and understanding in your connections. By repeating these affirmations daily, you can release old hurts, nurture forgiveness, and build stronger bonds filled with respect, harmony, and unconditional love. Healing begins within and flows outward. I open my heart to healing, love, and deep relationship harmony today. Forgiveness flows through me, allowing love and trust to flourish again. I release old wounds and welcome new beginnings filled with love. My relationship is built on trust, love, and mutual understanding. Harmony grows stronger in my relationships with every word and action. I choose love, compassion, and kindness in every relationship I nurture. Healing energy flows through my heart, creating stronger, loving connections. I forgive past mistakes and embrace harmony, peace, and understanding now. Love and respect form the foundation of all my relationships today. My words bring healing, comfort, and peace into my relationships daily. I am worthy of healthy, loving, and harmonious relationships in my life. I release resentment and welcome love, peace, and forgiveness into my heart. Each day my relationships grow stronger, healthier, and more harmonious with ease. I am open to giving and receiving unconditional love freely. Healing brings peace, love, and harmony into my relationships every day. I choose compassion over judgment, creating more harmony in my connections. My heart is open to love, forgiveness, and lasting relationship harmony. I allow past pain to transform into love and peace today. I embrace patience, kindness, and compassion in all my relationships now. Harmony flows through my connections, bringing joy, trust, and understanding always. I forgive myself and others, allowing love and harmony to thrive. My relationships are safe spaces of trust, respect, and unconditional love. Love heals all wounds, restoring peace and harmony in my relationships. I choose peaceful communication that nurtures harmony and strengthens relationships. My relationships grow deeper and more loving through forgiveness and understanding. I radiate healing energy that brings balance, love, and harmony. I am grateful for the love and harmony in my relationships today. I release arguments and embrace compassion, creating peaceful connections. My love brings healing and harmony into all of my relationships. I listen with compassion, allowing deeper connection and understanding to grow. My heart overflows with love that heals and nurtures relationships. I forgive past pain and invite peace and harmony into my life. I am surrounded by love, forgiveness, and healing energy every day. My relationships flourish with harmony, kindness, and mutual respect always. Love flows through me, healing and strengthening all my relationships deeply. I choose understanding over conflict, creating harmony in every relationship today. Healing energy flows between me and my loved ones with ease. My relationships thrive because I nurture them with love and compassion. I release bitterness and welcome joy, forgiveness, and harmony always. I honor the love in my relationships by choosing harmony daily. I create loving, supportive, and peaceful bonds in every connection I nurture. My relationships are filled with trust, honesty, and unconditional love. Healing and forgiveness strengthen my relationships and deepen our love daily. I am committed to creating harmony and peace in my connections. My love is strong enough to heal wounds and restore harmony. I choose to see the best in others and build harmony. Love and patience guide me in nurturing harmonious relationships daily. My relationships are a reflection of the peace within my heart. I am grateful for the healing love that restores my relationships. My compassion creates healing, love, and harmony in every relationship. I release negativity and welcome peace, harmony, and love into my life. My relationships become stronger as I nurture them with love and kindness. Harmony grows naturally in my relationships through love and mutual understanding. I forgive easily, creating space for love and harmony to flourish. My heart radiates healing energy that strengthens and balances my relationships. I am open to giving love, forgiveness, and compassion unconditionally today. Love heals my heart and brings harmony into every relationship I cherish. I choose patience and love, bringing calm and peace to my relationships. My words uplift, heal, and strengthen the harmony in my connections. I honor the healing journey of love within all my relationships. Peace flows through my heart, creating harmony in my life. My relationships thrive on trust, respect, and deep compassion daily. I radiate loving energy that restores peace and harmony everywhere I go. I allow love to replace fear, pain, and resentment within me. My heart is full of love that heals and harmonizes my relationships. I choose kindness and forgiveness as the foundation of my relationships. My love grows stronger, bringing peace and harmony into my connections. I let go of anger and invite harmony, joy, and love. My relationships deepen with every act of kindness and forgiveness. I create harmony through understanding, patience, and unconditional love every day. I release pain and welcome love, healing, and trust into my relationships. Love heals my heart, creating peace and harmony in every relationship. My compassion allows harmony to blossom in my relationships effortlessly. Healing and forgiveness open the door to stronger, more loving bonds. I honor my relationships by choosing peace, love, and harmony daily. My heart is open, creating space for love and forgiveness to thrive. Love and harmony surround me in all of my relationships. My relationships grow stronger through kindness, compassion, and mutual respect. I choose harmony and love in every interaction, big or small. My love heals wounds, creating balance and peace in my relationships. I nurture relationships with patience, understanding, and deep unconditional love. My heart radiates love that harmonizes every relationship in my life. I release conflict and embrace peace, creating loving and harmonious connections. My relationships flourish because I choose love and compassion every day. I am grateful for the healing, peace, and harmony love brings. Thank you for joining Radiant Mindset. These relationship healing affirmations for harmony are meant to bring love, peace, and balance into your relationships. Repeat them daily to nurture forgiveness and strengthen bonds. If this touched your heart, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more healing affirmations and inspiration.